What's good, people? I'm back with another video. Um, Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. We need to get views, subscribers, comments, brand endorsements, roller coasters in our gardens, a 5,000 pair collections of the most exclusive trainers ranging from Nike all the way to Louis Vuitton. No, I'm joking. But come on, man, people. Stop subscribing. You know what I got today? Axel Arigato. So I like this company. I like their trainers. I like the box. What's not to like about them? So very simple tag. Size EU 44, US 10.5, UK 9.5. Color black, and then probably style code or whatever. Simple. Box is dirty, it's been in storage or whatever. Let's just get into this because this is my favorite pair of Axel Arigato trainers that I own. I only own two pairs, but this is my favorite out of the two. And I think this is one of my favorite pairs of trainers. Like, I'm scared of wearing these. That's how much I like these trainers. It's just, let's just get into it, man. Yellow dust bag this time. Yellow box, yellow dust bag. I like that. Yes. Look at that. Just look at that embroidery. Birds. I don't know why I'm so excited over birds, but yeah, birds. No birds on this side, no birds on the inside. Remember that. Birds on the toe box. And look, see this? This is just from trying them on. So this is why I'm very scared to wear them, because I don't want them to crease up and look disgusting. Birds all around them. Woman from Home Alone. Birds all around me. And then on this one, birds again. So wait. Roughly the same, just, flipped around on the other side. No bird on the toe box on this one, but it's got a bird there. That is just, I don't really have any bad feedback about these much, but I would have loved to have. I think they done it right by not having, a bird on both tongues, a bird on both trainers. It looks good, but I would love to see them put two more birds on. But then again, that might be over the top. I think they've executed it amazingly. I love it. So, black laces, obviously. White sole. I don't usually like black trainers with the white sole. Not sure why. My last pair of black trainers with the white sole was a Jordan 3 Cyber Monday, if anyone remembers those. That was my last pair. They look nice on tracksuits, so a black and white tracksuit looks good, but I don't know, I'm just not a fan. But these, oh man, amazing. So the way I would wear these, everyone's gonna say I'm boring. I've said this so many times. I should just say the way I'm gonna wear these. Finish the sentence in the comments. The way I wear these, grey jeans, dark grey jeans. Don't really think I'm gonna wear black jeans with these. Dark grey jeans, black and white top, and black and white hoodie. I have a black and white jacket. It will go. Simplistic. These are so nice. They're so simple. They're very different. I never have had a pair of trainers like this, like random birds on them, but you have to sometimes buy something different, and these I do not regret buying one bit. Just I probably need to buy another pair, to be honest, because I'm so scared of messing them up. I'm so scared of creasing them. especially this one with the bird on it. I don't want to, step and break the bird's wing or something. But yeah, people, tell me what you think about these. I will put an on-foot video. As always, it's an on-foot video. I really like the trainers. Um, I don't think I'm going to do outfit videos yet. I might soon, but I just don't really think that's something I do, or I don't think is really me. Everyone has their own unique style of dressing or their own way of dressing. I'd say I dress kind of different to a lot of people. The way I mix things up, I'll mix sportswear with the high end designer, etc., etc. But these definitely do want to wear sometime soon, during the summer, because of the white sole. Don't want to risk those in the winter. But yeah, tell me if you like them. Tell me if you wear them. I will leave a link in the description as well. That's one thing I need to do more. Link in description. Link in description. I'll remember it while I edit this. And yeah, tell me if you wear them. Tell me how you'd wear them. Tell me if you like them. Have you got a pair? Talk to me, people. Sizing. I normally wear 9, 9.5, and 10. I went for a 9.5 in these just because I don't know what it is. Sometimes with me, I just go for, half size up, and if it fits, it fits. If it's a bit big, it's a bit big. And these, I'd say, fit perfectly. So half size up. I don't want to recommend it. You have to try it, people. But half size up would be good. So if you wear a 9.5, get a 10. But yeah, that's all I got to say for this one today, people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, people.